So yes, what's up? I wanted to do a quick video for a box break for you guys. What it is it's gonna be YouTube's pick on what the product will be. So, and what product for what sport. So whenever I have 5 different people that pick the same, like the minimum is 5 people who pick the same product in sport for a box break, I'll get that box for the box break. Like I'm making it more complicated than what it seems, but what basically is you guys will put in the comment what box, what product, what team, what product, what year, and what sport you guys would want to do a box break on. And whenever there's 5 different people who put the same thing first, that I'll go out and get that box, and I'll use that as my next box break. So you guys basically, the majority rules on what the break will be. So I'll go ahead and leave in the comment section what box you all would like to do a break on, and I'll line that up for this weekend. So thank you all, and so comment down below. See y'all next time.